Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Airtable AI for automated data enrichment pipelines, complete guide step by step clearly. First, ensure you have an Airtable account. Log in to your Airtable account. Go to the Airtable home screen. Click on the Apps button in the upper right corner. In the Apps sidebar, click on Add an app, search for Airtable AI in the app directory. Select Airtable AI from the search results. Click on the Install button. After installation, you'll see a configuration window. Choose the specific Airtable base where you want to set up automated data enrichment. Click on the Connect Base button to link it. Once connected, set up the fields you want to enrich. Select the first field you wish to enrich from the drop-down menu. Next, choose the AI model suited for your enrichment needs. Click on the Next button to proceed. Customize the parameters for the AI model, if necessary. Once satisfied, click on Save Configuration. Now, test the integration by adding a sample record. Check if the AI enriches the data as expected. If everything looks good, you're ready to automate. Click on the Automation tab in your Airtable base. Set up a new automation by selecting Create New Automation. Choose a trigger, for example, select when a record is created or when a record is updated. Now, add an action by selecting Run a Script. In the script block, reference the Airtable AI function for enrichment. Customize the script as needed for your specific workflow. Once done, click Done. Test your automation by creating or updating a record. Ensure the AI is enriching the data as intended. Monitor your automation for any issues and adjust settings if necessary. You have successfully set up Airtable AI for automated data enrichment pipelines. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.